Welcome, everyone, to the weekly AI news summary for the week ending May 10th, 2026. On behalf of AIPOD, we've got a seriously wild deep dive for you today.
Yeah, it has been a massive week for the industry. I mean, the contrasts are just extreme right now.
They really are. And our mission in this deep dive is to synthesize 8 massive AI news developments for you. We really want to extract the vital signals from all the noise of this global AI race.
Because there's definitely a lot of noise.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, okay, let's unpack this. Let's start with the boom because the money flowing in is just staggering. I mean, Samsung is nearing a historic $1 trillion market cap just driven by AI chip demand.
Oh, yeah. And China's Moonshot AI just secured $2 billion specifically for open source models.
Right, $2 billion. And then you have SAP acquiring Dremio to unify enterprise data for what they're calling agentic AI.
Which is a huge deal for enterprise tech.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
And for you listening, agentic AI isn't just about, reorganizing spreadsheets. It means building systems where an AI agent could independently negotiate and sign a vendor contract for your business entirely on its own.
Literally while you sleep.
Exactly. But despite this massive gold rush, a panel of experts this week warned about structural cracks in the AI economy. So what are these cracks? Like, are we just running out of money, or are companies spending blindly without a profitable business model?
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, it's not a lack of capital at all. The cracks are actually tangible physical limits.
Physical limits, like hardware.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
These massive models demand specialized hardware that is incredibly backordered. Plus, they require gigawatts of power that are actively straining local energy grids. And they are literally running out of data.
Wait, running out of data?
Yeah, they are consuming high-quality, human-generated text faster than we actually produce it.
Wow. So it's like we've built the world's most advanced hypercar, but we're running out of highway and gas at the exact same time. Like, the AI has read every book ever written, and now it's just sitting there waiting for us to write more.
That is a great analogy. We simply cannot write text or, label data fast enough to keep up.
So if we're hitting that data wall, how are developers responding? Are they just stuck waiting for humans to catch up?
Not at all. Because humans are the bottleneck, they're using AI to bypass us entirely. Take Meta's new AutoData framework.
Oh, right, the synthetic data project.
Exactly. They are turning AI into autonomous data scientists using what they call a challenger verifier system.
How does that work?
Basically, one AI model creates a complex problem, and a second AI judges its difficulty and accuracy. So they're generating their own high-quality synthetic training data without needing an expensive pipeline of human workers.
That is mind-blowing. But that only solves the data shortage, right?
Yep.
What about the physical hardware problem you mentioned? If we can't build chips fast enough, data doesn't even matter.
True. But that is where a major breakthrough from 3 Indian origin researchers comes in. Kiran Kumar Yalamanchi, FNU Shilpika, and Teja Chidi Venkata just won an award at Argonne National Laboratory for this.
I saw this. They're doing stuff with pruning and quantization, right? Let's break that down for the listener. Pruning sounds like, gardening.
It's actually a perfect comparison. Pruning is essentially cutting away the dead branches, like the unused mathematical connections inside the AI model itself.
Okay, got it. And quantization.
Quantization is like lowering the resolution of an image so it takes up less digital space, but they're doing it to the model's underlying code. Together, these techniques drastically shrink the computational footprint. You need far less power and hardware to get the exact same result.
So what does this all mean? If the AI is writing its own textbooks with AutoData and shrinking its own brain to fit on smaller chips, are humans officially being cut out of the training loop?
I mean, it's more about scalability. It's the ecosystem attempting to optimize itself so progress doesn't stall. But as it optimizes, its real-world capabilities are escalating instantly.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, on the consumer side, it just feels like magic. OpenAI just launched advanced voice intelligence in their API. It brings emotional tone and low latency interaction to consumer apps, and it sounds completely human.
It does, but you have to contrast that front-end polish with the back-end danger. You mentioned Anthropic's new Mythos AI earlier.
Right, the one causing emergency government meetings in India.
Yes. What's fascinating here is the asymmetry of this shift. The front end makes it super accessible, but the back-end capabilities mean offensive AI is rapidly outpacing traditional cybersecurity defenses.
So,
Mythos can identify hidden software vulnerabilities at machine speed. It can compress weeks of cyber attack preparation into literally just hours. Human defenders at banking systems just cannot react fast enough to that.
that is terrifying. Okay, well, here's where it gets really interesting. If AI is now writing its own training data and optimizing its own hardware footprint and capable of launching hyper-fast cyber attacks that humans can't intercept, at what point does it transition from a tool you use to an independent actor you merely manage?
Honestly, that is the defining question we're going to be navigating for the rest of the decade.
It is definitely something for you to mull over as you watch these tools evolve. Well, thank you for listening to AIPOD. Thanks, and see you all next week.